Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and this is another unboxing video. This is I got, I like streetwear brands, and the hundreds if you're from LA or California, West Coast. There's this brand, it's called the hundreds, and I've been rocking this brand since a long time ago, man. And they just hit their 17 years, and happy birthday the hundreds. Congratulations Ben Hundreds, Bobby Hundreds. So yeah, I got a package here. I didn't open this for, I don't know, like a month or so, but this is gonna be an unboxing video, the 100 style, because they had like a 50% off. And most of the time, if you're into streetwear, this clothing is kind of more expensive, so I took advantage of the 50% off. There's disclaimer, guys, there's this one box here that I opened it already because my mom was curious and she opened it. So good thing she opened it, because she wants to see it. And she opened it, and I'll show you what's inside the box. And good thing, I'll let you know why it's a good thing that she opened it, because there was a note in there that one of the items wasn't shipped out. So yeah, here we go, let's go. Alright, here you go, guys. Here's the package right here, the open package. So let's do this. Alright, let's open the box. Here's the box right here. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so first off, it's another box right here, but this is a plate, like a, let me grab my knife. Boom. Guys, every time you wear, you have a knife or sharp objects, man, always be careful and be careful. Okay, let's go. All right, so let's slice this up. Alright, so yeah, here we go. Alright, here you go, guys. It's a plate number, like, design, and this is the hundreds right here, and it's like a camel pattern, so it's dope. Yeah, hundreds. I like the hundreds because of the story, the meaning behind it, bringing people together. If you want to find out about that, there's a exclusive interview with Bobby Hundreds. You can look it up and you'll know the history of the hundreds. And they're a dope brand, man. I love the hundreds, even though they say they're already like old. It's not like Supreme where they're popping, like FTP and all these new brands, but the 100 is still stay strong until now, and they just hit 17 years, man. So yeah, there you go. That's one. Let me put it down here. So all of this that I'm showing you, I got this all like 50% off. A beanie, the hundreds beanie, man. Let's open this up. Yeah, okay. So it's like an olive green, the hundreds right here. So there you go, the hundreds. Let's try it on right now, man. Good thing, I got a haircut, not from the outside, but my girlfriend has been cutting me for like months now. So yeah, let's try this on, man. Oh shoot. Let's try this on, man. Every time I wear a beanie, man, I always want my hair to be like Waldo, you know, say Waldo, man. So there you go, beanie man. There you go. So yeah, the hundreds beanie. Yeah. All right, let's put this cap back on. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm trying to do a trick, man, but let's do it again. Let's do it again. Oh, oh, oh. It failed. It failed. It failed. All right. Next up, snapback. Of course. Snapback. This is their team snapback. The hundreds. You know what's funny about this, man? This is the colorway that always gets sell out, because so it says here Los Angeles, the hundreds, and it has the bomb on the side, and it's a snapback. This colorway gets sold out quick because I think it has like a Raiders vibe. If you know, the Raiders is like a football team. It's like a Los Angeles Raiders kind of vibe. But funny about this is I didn't order this colorway, man, because it was sold out. So the one that I ordered, it's red here on this design. It says the hundreds here, and it's red. And but yeah, but they sent the wrong one, so cool. And then I got this right here. Let me bring it out. Right. Bring it out, bring it out, bring it out. Bring it out, bring it out. Oops. Go. The 100 sticker. Every time you order like from a streetwear brand, they always try to provide you a sticker right there. And of course, this is a collab. Frank Kozik. I bought one of the limited edition Frank Kozik print, but I'm gonna show that on the next video, man. So yeah, there you go. Some stickers. Open this up right here. So yeah, I bought this. It's like a collab between Baxter and the hundreds. So if you don't know anything about Baxter, it's like a man essential brand from California. You know, they provide shampoos, conditioner, body wash, lotion for men, and they did this collab like with the hundreds, I think maybe 2 years ago, but maybe they had 2 years or a year ago, so maybe they had this in stock. I got the bag when they dropped this collab, and now 50% off with this shampoo and everything. And what I like about this is the artist Kai or something. His signature is this waves right here. If you go to YouTube and type in Baxter the hundreds collab, this is a dope artist, man. He does this wave kind of thing. So yeah, so I got like 4 of them. There you go. So first, conditioner. Focus. There you go. Conditioner. Shampoo. Body wash. So yeah, so I got a lotion right here, and so this artist is called Aaron Kai. So that's the Instagram right there, Aaron Kai. All right, let's move on. So on this package, you know, there was a note. They were saying that, oh, I'm sorry for the inconvenience, blah 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 blah. One of your items wasn't shipped out because, you know, they were out. You know, it was a snapback that has a tiger in front, It's, I think it's called the work snapback. It was like a tiger, so I just told them that, you know, just, you know, change it to another colorway, and I chose the magenta colorway. It's like, I think this color. So yeah, let's move on to the other box. Let's get it.